So this is the Corsair Virtuoso RGB wireless headset. This is Corsair's flagship headset. So it works on PC and PlayStation 4. So first of all, let's see that you can use the IQ software to change the colours and the sound. This is the quick wireless system. Yeah, and you can, with the cable, you can use high res audio as well, which is very good. So here's the premium bag you get from Corsair. It's a nice bag. Here's the headset. Very nice quality as well. Wi-Fi with it. So we've got sound for being here. Type C. Yep. And you can put a 3.5 jack in as well, which is nice. This in the box. Here is the 3.5. The USB dongle for the wireless. Type C charging connector. Here's the mic, detachable mic. Very flexible as well. Nice. So I might even be using all of these, so I'll keep them all out. So let's have a look into that. So we're going to just test it now. LED. There we go. You got a lot of little dots inside here. Makes it look very nice. Like it is actually not there. Running out of battery, so I need to charge it. But there you have it, my new Corsair gaming headset. Thanks for watching.